Kevin Brierton here, Neo Home Loan Certified Mortgage Planning Specialist and Branch Leader. Just wanted to touch base with you guys. I hope you guys, your realtors out there, are doing well. I know there's been a lot of news about the NAR situation. Just really quickly on that, and we'll get to the weird loan scenario this week. Um, I think right now we need to be in the information gathering stage, and there's just too many unknowns right now to know exactly what to do. Tons of great YouTube videos that I've watched, webinars, but I think it's just a little early to speculate exactly how it's all going to come down. So let's keep our mind straight and positive. Right now, people need our help more than ever, and that's why I want to come to you with the weird loan scenario this week on a jumbo loan that had a high debt to income ratio, and it was a situation where the client had been turned down at other jumbo lenders and other banks because not because it was bad credit, but they had really good credit, they have great income. They just haven't shown certain income from other businesses and other rentals on their tax returns yet because they're newer. And so high W-2 income, high commission, but they just don't have the income coming in from these other sources. They will at some point. But what we did was we used a non-qualified mortgage called a non-QM mortgage, non-qualified mortgage. And these mortgages allow for a little bit more expanded box. So think of hard, not quite hard money, but it's kind of in between, regular financing and hard money. It's kind of in between there. So the nice thing about this is the rates aren't as high as hard money. The costs aren't as high either. And usually you can get around prepayment penalties in most cases. Some cases you're still going to have some of them on there, the non-QM loans. But the reason why this is important is this loan now will be clear to close where with a higher debt to income ratio with most all the other jumbo lenders would not, investors would not approve it. And this could be the difference of whether your client gets the house they want if they have the right plan. So just know if you're talking to a jumbo buyer or seller that becomes a buyer and they're having some troubles on jumbo, just make sure they're not just going to one place. They need to make sure they have all the options, whether it's with us here at Neo or whether it's somewhere else. So I just want to make sure I let you know of that because that's a situation where a lot of people don't know that the debt to income ratio limits can vary significantly. They're a lot lower on jumbo than on other conventional or FHA loans. So make sure your buyers are getting second opinions, whether it's with us or another lender that you're working with. That's great, but we'd love to be a second opinion to make sure if they get turned down, we can turn that around and help them with the plan and get them qualified. Thanks so much for watching. Enjoy the beautiful day and beautiful spring. If you need anything or you need a mortgage plan, reach out to me, 480-553-8770, or email me at kevin@kevinbrierton.com. Have a great day. Thanks for watching. Bye.